Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the most spectacular and luxurious homes across the United States. True works of art that define elegance, comfort, and modern perfection. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking $11,998,000 luxury estate located at 37 DeBell Drive, Atherton, California. This extraordinary gray and white masterpiece represents the pinnacle of modern design and timeless sophistication. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a commanding impression, surrounded by manicured lawns, white roses, and heritage oak trees. The property spans over 0.83 acres in one of Silicon Valley's most prestigious neighborhoods. The exterior combines a clean gray and white palette with large glass panels that capture sunlight beautifully throughout the day. Every line, angle, and texture reflects elegance and precision. At night, the soft golden lights give the home a cinematic glow, turning it into a true architectural jewel. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of refinement. The kitchen stands at the heart of this home, a perfect fusion of beauty and functionality. White marble countertops, custom gray cabinetry, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and a grand center island create an atmosphere of pure sophistication. It's the kind of kitchen where every meal feels like a celebration. The open-concept living area seamlessly connects the kitchen to the family space, framed by floor-to-ceiling glass windows that fill the room with natural light and offer stunning views of the backyard. Oak hardwood floors and soft neutral tones give the space a warm, contemporary charm. It's the perfect setting for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful evenings with family. The home offers 5 luxurious bedrooms and 6 spa-inspired bathrooms, each one thoughtfully designed for comfort and elegance. The primary suite is truly a private sanctuary, featuring high ceilings, a cozy sitting area, and large glass doors opening to a private balcony overlooking the garden. Shades of gray and white, complemented by elegant lighting, create a calming and intimate retreat. Each guest bedroom carries the same refined design language, offering privacy, warmth, and an abundance of natural light. These rooms are not just places to sleep, they're experiences in comfort, carefully crafted for beauty and rest. The bathrooms are equally spectacular. With white marble walls, glass-enclosed showers, gray vanities, and elegant fixtures, every bathroom feels like a 5-star spa. From the textures to the lighting, every detail is designed to bring harmony and peace into daily life. The attention to craftsmanship in every corner of this home is extraordinary. Moving toward the garage, the design remains consistent. Clean gray and white tones, sleek polished floors, and modern lighting give even the practical spaces a touch of luxury. Next to the garage sits a 1-bedroom guest house complete with its own kitchen, living area, and a cozy fireplace. It's ideal for guests, extended family, or even as a private entertainment space by the pool. The versatility of this guest house makes it one of the most charming highlights of the property. Step outside, and you enter your own private paradise. The backyard features a stunning swimming pool surrounded by expansive green lawns and mature oak trees. This space is perfect for pool parties, summer barbecues, or quiet relaxation on a sunny California morning. As the sun sets, the pool area transforms, soft lights shimmer across the water, and the sound of nature fills the air. It's a tranquil escape that feels like a 5-star resort, right in your backyard. Located in the heart of Atherton, this home offers easy access to downtown Menlo Park and Palo Alto, placing you minutes away from the best schools, fine dining, and world-class shopping. It's the perfect combination of privacy and convenience, designed for those who seek excellence in every aspect of life. This magnificent property is proudly presented by Hadar Guibara of Serrano Real Estate, one of Silicon Valley's most respected agents. Hadar has built her reputation on trust, experience, and a deep understanding of the Bay Area's luxury real estate market. This isn't just a home, it's a statement of success and lifestyle. A masterpiece where architecture, nature, and design come together in perfect harmony. Every detail of this property celebrates what it means to live the American dream. You're watching American Dream Mansions, the channel dedicated to showcasing the most beautiful homes across the United States. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next luxury home experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through elegance, innovation, and timeless design.